Want to turn a plain paper into a cool little boat? I'll show you how. Grab a sheet of paper, any kind will do. Fold it in half from top to bottom, then crease it well. Fold in half again, this time side to side, and open it back up. Now fold the top corners down to the center to make a triangle. Take the bottom flaps and fold them up on both sides. Next, open the shape and pinch it into a diamond. Fold the bottom corners up to the top to make a smaller triangle. Open it up again and pinch, you've got a diamond. Gently pull the sides apart and boom! Your paper ship is ready to sail. Decorate it, float it, or race it with friends. Hit like if you made your own paper ship.